So Dylan's been working on getting all these little dents hammered out, smoothed out as the best he can. And we're getting close to putting the doors and fenders back on. We've still got some work to do here and there, but overall he's doing a good job pecking away at these things. We've got some metal work to do here. We're going to cut this out and weld a patch in there. You can see here he's got, these are all pretty decent. That might be just a tad high. Play with that a little bit more. We're going to melt this, or take this lead out of here, and we'll cut a patch, steel right here, sheet metal, and we'll weld that in. So he's going to start working on, you have to wear a respirator when you take this out, okay? A couple areas on top he's got leveled out. He's got one here that we still have to work on, and there's a inner frame right here that's kind of in his way. So here, if you want to hold that. I was just explaining to him that I take something and just tuck it in there. Get over here once. I don't know, can you see that? So I just get something in. This is just a flat spoon. I try to get in behind that, and you can see the movement there.
Get on camera.
You get the, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So you try to get in the center, you know, the lowest spot there, and push up on it. Don't want to push too much, but then you tap around the perimeter. It came up quite a bit right last. See if I can get a little. You want to try to get right on that crease, on that low spot. Still just a little bit low, but it's come up. We'll have to skim it a little bit when we're done. So I can't get right there. It's low yet. You see? And I can't get my spoon in there. There we go. See where I'm pushing up? I want to try to get right on that low spot. Try not to push it too much, you know, and then you got it high. See, that's getting better.
Yeah.
It's just about, and then you got a little flat. Where's your ruler at that you use? Just go over and grab
It's
that.
over there on that tool cart. So we can get this with the video.
So you can show them here, you got your tool cart. We got our hinges laying on there right now, but he's got a assortment of files and blocks, sandpaper, wire brush, and then I like to take this. It's nice and thin, and it's just a little flexible. And I'll use that just to see. It's pretty close, isn't it? Just got just a tad. Can you see it in the video?
And then a little. Oh yeah, right there.
Just right there is still a little bit low, isn't it? just a little bit, but otherwise that's pretty good. So if you want to work on that just a little bit more, again, be careful that you don't push that. You don't push it out. You'd rather have it just a little bit low than high. See how I can push that up? And I'm using a flat blade here. I'm not using a point. So you can just about get every dent out by doing something like that. You know, back in, if there's a structure behind it. But that little crease right there is just going to, that's pretty close now. So, yeah, and then you can show them what you do with your file.
Oh, okay.
So typically you take a file or a block or something and go over that. And you see the low spot here. Just a little bit right there yet. And that shows up. Laying that across.
You can see that right there, because that's flat.
Just a skim coat would take care of that. But if we could get that popped up just a little bit better, work on that a little bit more, and then once you get done with that, we might as well go ahead and take the lead out of these spots. We'll do it here as well.
Okay.
Here and back here, and start shaping a piece of metal on that. And so what I do here is I take a piece of sheet metal and I'll roll it with the English wheel so it fits this contour fairly close. And then I trim it back. After you pull this out, you'll see the difference where these two panels are welded together. So okay, so Dylan cut the old stuff out right here, and then he drilled the spot welds out and removed the rusted piece, and now he's got a piece that will fit in there. Let's see how well it fits there. Grab it and so he's got the piece contoured to fit the radius here, and then what we'll do is drill some holes here and here, and then along here, and spot weld those or plug weld them so they're like the factory, like this one. They'll look like the factory when it's done. And then he'll weld this line completely along with that. Grinder down, sand it, and you'll never know that it was patched.
Oh yeah.
So Dylan got that all welded in, and you could see he started grinding some of the welds off. He still needs to finish the rest of it, and then this patch will be done. Okay, he's done with that patch. He's got everything ground down. It looks pretty decent. This is going to get covered by an end cap anyway, so we'll epoxy that and keep moving forward.